Hello everybody, this is Outdoor Heroes again.
We found a pigeon in our yard.
It's only a few months old, or maybe just a little bit young. I found it right on this green thing. It slid off into that pink bucket.
It was drowning.
Yeah, it was drowning. We helped it. It looks very, very sad.
It keeps shaking.
It won't stop shaking, and it won't even eat. We need to put it somewhere warm. We can't have a blanket, can we?
No.
Dang.
I think that is blood on under its beak.
I don't know what it is. It looks very, very strange. So he or she, we don't really know the gender.
We just found it randomly.
Yeah,
I'm not a specialist.
I'm not either. We just found it on this green thing, and it was laying down, and what it was doing, it couldn't fly, so it slid off the edge. And also, he slid into that water bucket over there, and we're trying to save it. And this pigeon belongs somewhere to the neighbors over there.
And there's a hole in the wall.
Yeah, so we can basically just put it through.
Aww.
It's also very, very scared. We need to put it very somewhere warm. It's only a few weeks old.
My mum will get the neighbors soon.
Yeah, they'll come over here,
Take it,
get it, and make it safe because it's only very, very young. I just found it like on this green thing. I said to my cousin, "Oh, look at this strange pigeon." Then
it just slid off.
yeah, after so it just basically was very, very sad. I think what happened is that it probably like fell off that shed.
That's why it might
like,
be that hurt.
Or maybe it fell off there, like on the top of that, and it might have fell down and might have hurt itself. So we gave it some bread, but it's not. It doesn't want to eat. We don't really know what's wrong.
Maybe he'll like some worms. We'll try that out later.
Maybe. That was just some random noises. This is a very sad day of a poor animal.
And this is it, really.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Please help nature, everybody, please.
Don't stomp on bugs. They deserve to live.
Yeah. Even though if you don't like them, just don't kill them.
Just like spiders. A lot of people are scared of spiders.
Yeah. Spiders don't do any problem. They just they're here to kill flies. If we don't like flies, then they kill them. So we don't really know what's wrong. It looks like it's bleeding on the neck.
This is it.
Yeah.
Thank you
so much for watching, everybody. Yeah. Please help nature.
Bye bye.